Today I will be giving you a tour of my newly renovated laundry room and giving you some organizing tips. So if you are looking to organize your laundry room, please keep watching. Starting here on top of the washing machine in a little wicker tray, I have my mother's old wastebasket, which I now keep lint in, and my essential oil diffuser. And right above it, I have two little prints here that I got when I went to Salt Spring Island, BC many years ago. On my Ikea shelves here, which I have repurposed because I've had them for many years, I keep things that I need to have readily accessible for doing my laundry. In these bottles here, I have decanted my detergent and fabric scent boosters. I'm out of fabric softener, but if I get any more, it'll go in that other bottle in the back there. And I keep the bleach in that tin up there. I only bought 3 new things for decorating and organizing my laundry room, and that is this tin here, that one up there, and the artificial plant there. Now there's no natural light in here, so even if I remember to water it, it probably wouldn't live. So that's why I got the artificial one. In this container here, I have my microfiber booster cleaner and some extra stain remover things and my extra dryer balls there. And in this container here, an old cookie jar, I also used to have a terrarium in that once upon a time. It is now holding my Norwex powder detergent. And then of course there's my iron. And on the top shelf there in that basket, I have a hand steamer. And in this little laundry tin, I keep some borax. So that's what I have on my Ikea shelves. In my laundry tub here, I keep this little bowl that I use for soaking things in if they have a stain on them. And in the basket below, that's where I throw my microfiber towels and cloths, and I wash those once a week. On top of my dryer here, I keep my 3 wicker laundry baskets, which I've had for many years. I used to have more when the kids were home, but they got destroyed slowly over the years, and 3 is quite enough for what I need now. The print of the Eiffel Tower there I got when I was in Paris, and this is my ironing board holder that I made. I showed that in my last video. Now this is a really neat little sewing area. I painted my sewing machine cover because it had got really discolored and I do not like that yellow. It doesn't really go with my theme. Above it, I have on the top 2 shelves here my sewing things. I've got thread in the wicker baskets, and in this travel case, which I also painted white, I have things like zippers and buttons and that kind of trim. And in those 2 bins up there, I have a little bit of fabric left over and batting and interfacing, that type of thing. On this lowest shelf, I have my footwear care, which is like shoe polish and extra shoelaces and things, and clothing care, which is like lint brushes and special cleaners for my leather jacket, that type of thing. And over here, of course, I've got my Mrs. Meyer's cleaners, and I have my Norwex spray bottles and extra Norwex cleaning products. Okay, so over here in this cabinet, we have paper towels and we have lighting stuff. So we have light bulbs up there, candles, which leads into scented wax, and my essential oils in that little wooden case. Always want to keep those out of direct sunlight. And the key holder here I got from the dollar store. Got a little glass here with the extra key of my son's. And yeah, that's it for in that cupboard. Over here, I have tea light holders, and that is also a tea light holder. In this drawer here, right beside the sewing machine, is all my scissors and needles and things like that. And in this drawer, I have all my batteries, and I have a few little extra things for my keys. In the cupboard here, I have a garbage can on one side, and I have a little mini recycling bin for batteries, and I have all kinds of extra backstock things I don't need on a regular basis. On this side, I have this little two-tiered bin thing with more microfiber cloths. This funnel I use for filling up the bottles with the detergent and that. And I've got the neat little blind cleaner here and some extra dust things. And of course on this side I've got a bag holder to keep the extra bags for the garbage can. Now up on top of the cupboard there, I have extra Norwex products on that side. And on this side, I have extra sterile water, Castile soap, and a few other things if I want to make my own cleaning products. And finally, I have hanging up here my yardstick that was my mom's and a meter stick underneath it. So that's nice and handy. So this is it for my laundry organization tour. I hope this has given you some ideas for organizing your laundry room, and I'll see you in the next one.